Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Suzuki GSX-R1000 superbike. This thing is awesome. We're talking 8,400 miles on the odometer. Brand new tires, front and rear. Wait till you hear that Yoshimura dual exhaust. Come on by and make your superbike dreams come true with this amazing GSX-R1000, only $99.99. This bike is not going to be here long. Showroom condition. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Feel the vibration. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.